Unpacking why 3D printing might not be the economic fix for footwear. 1. High initial costs. Advanced tech and printers come with a hefty price tag. 2. Material expenses. Specialized materials often cost more than traditional ones. 3. Slow production. Layer-by-layer printing doesn't exactly scream efficiency. 4. Maintenance overheads. Constant upkeep and expertise drive up expenses. 5. Limited scalability. Great for small runs, but far from cost-effective at scale. Economic efficiency should mean more. Learn the facts at 3dshoes.com.